Nestled behind the stomach, the pancreas often goes unnoticed. Yet, this flat, gland-like organ plays a critical role in two fundamental bodily processes: digestion and hormone regulation. It acts as a silent guardian, ensuring the smooth breakdown of food and the meticulous control of blood sugar levels. Delving deeper, the pancreas functions like a factory with two dedicated production lines. The exocrine pancreas serves as the digestive powerhouse. Here, specialized cells churn out a potent cocktail of digestive enzymes. These enzymes, strategically released into the small intestine, break down complex molecules like proteins, fats, and carbohydrates into simpler components readily absorbed by the body. Imagine a master chef expertly deconstructing a dish, and the exocrine pancreas plays that role in the grand culinary masterpiece of digestion. Meanwhile, the endocrine pancreas takes center stage in the realm of hormone regulation. This section is responsible for the production of crucial hormones, most notably insulin and glucagon. Insulin acts like a key, unlocking the doors of our cells and allowing glucose, sugar, from the bloodstream to enter, providing fuel for energy production. Conversely, glucagon acts as the counterpart, prompting the release of glucose from the liver when blood sugar levels dip. This delicate dance between insulin and glucagon ensures a steady supply of energy throughout the body. Why prioritize pancreatic health? Maintaining a healthy pancreas is paramount for overall well-being. When this vital organ falters, a domino effect can cascade through the body. Disruptions in enzyme production can lead to malabsorption, where nutrients from food aren't properly absorbed, causing digestive issues like bloating, diarrhea, and weight loss. Additionally, impaired insulin secretion can trigger diabetes, a chronic condition marked by high blood sugar levels. Challenges in detecting pancreatic problems. Unfortunately, diagnosing pancreatic problems can be a detective's game. The symptoms, often vague and mimicking other conditions, can lead to delays in diagnosis. For instance, upper abdominal pain, a hallmark of pancreatic issues, can also be a sign of gastritis or gallstones. Similarly, nausea and vomiting might point towards food poisoning or ulcers. This stealthy nature of pancreatic dysfunction underscores the importance of seeking medical attention if you experience persistent digestive issues or unexplained weight changes. When to listen to your body. Several red flags can signal potential pancreatic troubles. Be mindful of persistent pain in the upper left abdomen or back, radiating towards the shoulder blade. Frequent bouts of nausea and vomiting, often accompanied by abdominal discomfort. Difficulty digesting fatty foods, leading to bloating and greasy stools. Unexplained weight loss or gain, often linked to malabsorption or hormonal imbalances. The emergence of classic diabetes symptoms such as excessive thirst, frequent urination, and unexplained fatigue. What causes pancreatic dysfunction? The good news is that many pancreatic problems are preventable. Lifestyle choices significantly influence pancreatic health. A diet high in saturated fat and excessive alcohol consumption are major culprits. The heavy burden of processing greasy meals and metabolizing alcohol can overwhelm the pancreas, leading to inflammation and potential damage. Additionally, chronic stress can disrupt hormone production, while genetics may also play a role in some pancreatic diseases. By adopting a few simple lifestyle modifications, you can empower your pancreas to function at its best. Embrace a balanced diet. Prioritize fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, while limiting unhealthy fats and processed foods. Prioritize stress management techniques. Yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises can be helpful. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight can put a strain on the pancreas. Schedule regular checkups with your doctor. Preventive care is essential for early detection and intervention. Certain dietary choices can provide a natural boost to your pancreatic health. Pumpkin, packed with antioxidants, pumpkin helps combat inflammation, a major contributor to pancreatic dysfunction. Jerusalem artichoke. This unique root vegetable boasts prebiotic properties, promoting gut health and potentially aiding in blood sugar regulation. Blueberries. These antioxidant-rich berries may improve insulin sensitivity, and overall pancreatic function. Turmeric. This golden spice possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties and may offer protection against diabetes. Red grapes. Resveratrol, a compound found in red grapes, helps shield pancreatic cells from damage. Low-fat yogurt. Promoting a healthy gut microbiome with probiotics found in yogurt can indirectly support pancreatic health. Don't miss new informative videos on health and longevity. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click on the bell icon and choose to receive all notifications. Wishing you health and longevity.